kids, this is Teacher Lynn from Kindergarten 2. I hope that you're doing good today. You're safe and sound. So by the way, we are going to learn about nature around us. Are you ready to learn and have fun? Come and join me. Living things and non-living things. As we all know, living things are the things that grow and reproduce. They also need food, water, and air. Living things also move. Usually, it's either a plant, an animal, or a human. Non-living things are those things that do not grow or reproduce. It doesn't need food, water, or air. It doesn't move as well. Okay, so now let's try to identify which is living thing and non-living thing. So write the words along the dotted lines. The first one that we have here is a word bird. Can you spell it out for me? Or can you follow me? B-I-R-D, bird. Is a bird a living thing or a non-living thing? A living thing, very good, because bird grows and reproduce. It also needs water, food, and air. It also moves. Now, next one, tree. Let's spell out the tree. T-R-E-E. Okay. So now my question is tree a living thing or a non-living thing? It's a living thing. Very good, because trees grows. It needs water and air to grow. Next, human. Everybody say human. Let's spell it out. H-U-M-A-N. Human. Very good. So human, is it living things or a non-living things? It's a living thing. Human reproduce and grow. It also needs water, air, and food. The last one that we have here is a camera. Camera, you usually use it when you're taking pictures, you're taking selfies. So let's spell out the word camera. C-A-M-E-R-A. Camera. Very good. Camera. Is it a living thing or a non-living thing? A non-living thing. Very good. Camera doesn't grow or reproduce. It doesn't move as well. It doesn't need food, water, or air. Okay? Good job. Good job, kids. I hope you really had fun today. So, see you in the next video. Goodbye.